how to handle scam text messages, toll, insurance, and payment scams. Hello, and welcome. If you've been receiving text messages saying you owe money for things like tolls, insurance, or unexpected payments, even for places you've never been, you are not alone. These types of messages are very common, and many of them are scams. Today, I'm going to show you how to recognize these messages, what not to do, and how to block and report them. Let's take this one step at a time. First, let's talk about what these messages look like. They may say things like, "You owe money for a toll," "You have an unpaid balance," "Click this link to avoid penalties." Even if it sounds urgent, this does not mean it's real. If you've never used that service or been in that location, it is likely a scam. Second, do not click any links in the message. Scammers use these links to steal your information or install harmful software. If something feels off, don't click it. Third, do not reply to the message. Even replying "stop" or "no" can let scammers know your number is active. It's best to ignore the message completely. Now let's talk about what you should do. Block the number. On most phones, tap the message, tap the phone number. Select Block or Block Contact. This helps prevent future messages from that number. Next, report the message as spam. On many phones, you will see an option to report junk or report spam. You can also forward the message to 7726 spam. This helps your phone carrier identify and stop scammers. If you're ever unsure, do not use the link in the message. Instead, go directly to the official website or call the company using a trusted number. If you've received messages like this, that's okay. It does not mean you've done anything wrong. You're learning how to recognize and handle them, and that's what matters. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more simple and safe technology tips designed just for you. You deserve to feel safe and confident when using your phone.